Poinsettias, in fact, are not poisonous. Previous research at The Ohio State University has found that poinsettias are not poisonous, but we do not encourage anybody or any animal to ingest poinsettias. Something that really sparks your interest, what color do you want in terms of the bracts? We have reds, whites, pinks, our novelties, which are variegated bracts, but also what size will fit your location. Do you want a container that's 4.5 inch, 6.5 inch, or larger? But usually you want to find a poinsettia that's, round, well branched, and just, gives you that holiday cheer. There are a lot of poinsettia cultivars available, and these availabilities of the reds, the whites, the pinks, or even what we consider the novelties come from different breeders from around the world, that they select these genetics and these traits that are what we consider of ornamental value, and then they select those and breed them into the new plant material. You want to keep those in a sunny window away from cold air drafts, and then you periodically want to water them, maybe 1 to 2 times a week, but you want to make sure that the soilless substrate or the media is not over moist, because they are susceptible to root rot. So just picking up that pot to see if it's too wet, you may not want to water it, but if it's a little dry, you can go ahead and hit it with a little water.